This is the iFixit Pro Tech Go Toolkit, and the company says it's your go-anywhere repair kit for phones, laptops, game consoles, even drones. But after carrying it in my bag for a week, I discovered something they don't shout about in the ads. So, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Stay tuned, because I'll give you my full verdict at the end. Product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Pro Tech Go is a portable electronics repair toolkit from iFixit, released in early 2025, designed for tech-savvy folks who like to fix things on the go. It's essentially the compact sibling of their flagship Pro Tech Toolkit, half the size and weight, but still loaded with precision bits and opening tools tailored for modern electronics. iFixit markets it as an everyday carry repair kit for phones, laptops, game consoles, and other gadgets. Performance. All right. Specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in real life? First off, portability wins. I tossed the kit in my backpack and it felt light enough to travel with, no bulky toolbox vibe. Opening my MacBook Air, swapping out a battery, pulling up a game console board, it handled all of that with ease. The 32-bit driver set included means I wasn't hunting for weird screwdrivers mid-project. Now, the real benefit, the tools feel precise. Screwdrivers fit properly, bits slide in crisply, the spudgers and picks did their job without feeling like cheap throwaways. One How To Geek reviewer wrote, "The kit is an excellent investment for anyone who hates spending money to replace perfectly good electronics." However, there were a few caveats. If you're working on something super niche, you might still miss a longer driver shaft or ultra-rare bit. One reviewer noted that while the kit is excellent, you might need other parts on top of it depending on the job. In day-to-day repairs, phones, tablets, laptops, consoles, it handled everything I threw at it. And thanks to the magnetic sorting tray and decent tools, it saved me frustration. Features and tech. 32-bit Moray driver kit, the heart of the Pro Tech Go. It includes standard Phillips flatheads plus specialized bits like Pentalobe, Torx Security, tri-point bits. This means you're covered for a ton of device types. No more "shoot, I don't have the right bit" moments. Opening tools, spudgers, and tweezers. iFixit packed in a selection of spudgers, opening picks, tweezers, and a suction cup. These tools let you get into tight spaces and delicate joints without marring or scratching, which matters when you care about preserving device condition. Compact fabric roll with personalization slots. The roll-up design means the kit tucks away cleanly, and iFixit even left 2 free tool slots so you can stash your own go-to items. That's smart because repair work is individual. Lifetime guarantee. Backing the tools with the lifetime guarantee means iFixit is confident in build quality, and it gives you peace of mind if something snaps or breaks down the line. Design and build. Aesthetically and physically, iFixit did a good job. The fabric tool roll is rugged and laid out clearly. The tools have foam or molded slots to stay put. The driver handle is polymer but still solid and comfortable in hand. The bits are made of S2 steel, a durable material for precision work. In terms of feel, when you grip the driver, you feel a good weight balance. The spudgers and tweezers don't feel cheap. On the flip side, the smaller size does mean some tools are shorter than what I might prefer when working on deep-set screws in large laptops or desktop builds. So if you work on big chassis hardware mostly, this won't always replace a full-size professional kit. Pros. Super portable and easy to store. High-quality build with smart design features. Lifetime guarantee adds long-term value. Cons. Limited for very large or deep-set screws. Overkill if you rarely repair devices. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a tech-savvy user who works on devices regularly and you want a single toolkit that you can carry with you or keep handy at home, the iFixit Pro Tech Go is an absolute no-brainer. The quality, versatility, and portability give you real-world value, especially if you dread hunting down random bits or busted tools mid-repair. On the other hand, if you only occasionally open a device or your work mostly involves massive chassis or furniture-sized gear, you might be better off with the simpler, cheaper kit, or the full-size Pro Tech if you want all the bells and whistles. In short, for everyday tech repair enthusiasts and DIY tinkerers, yes, worth every penny. It brings pro-level tools in a well-designed, compact package. My final line? Carry better tools so you don't fumble the repair when it counts. So that's my take on the iFixit Pro Tech Go Toolkit. But I want to know what you think. Are you planning on picking one up? Or maybe you already have one? Tell me your experience in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, a simple thumbs up would be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.